You will see what I will do. We will have two Crackles. I hope if I just detune them a bit like this, and not the rain but the Kraken. And this one goes left, this one goes right. We need it slower. Now I bounced it to a new track. I will go to the mods beats and I will quickly quantize it with 16 notes. Let me bounce this in place. Quantize again. Let's see. Beats mod. And 16s here. I will bounce this in place again. I hate to look for this. And then I don't need it to be this wide, so I will select split stereo palm mode from here and I will do like 15 right and minus 15 left. Loop it, auto bouncing, then beat crusher. Let's add roar. And in roar there is this noise injection. Yeah, this sound is cool now. Add the saturator to clip it. So you come here, select digital clip and then put on the soft clip or hard clip. I always prefer soft, and then drive it, and we have this digital clip, works the best for this. And you know what I will do? It will start something like this, and then I will introduce the next layer of it with just turning on this here. Here we go.